we started asking questions in the present simple. And as you can see, we're asking and we're using the basic question format with the question word, the auxiliary verb to do, the subject and the main verb. This is the way we generally ask questions in the present simple and next term in the past simple. Where does Lola work? When does Lola work? How often does she work? When does she finish work? What does she do on Wednesdays? Then, if you pop over here to this board here, Solène wrote some wonderful questions using all the different question formats. So, she started using questions with the verb to be. So, what is your favourite food? So the format changes to using question word with the main verb, always the verb to be, and then the subject. Here, she put the auxiliary verb first. Do you like pets? Yes, I do. No, I don't. So she's using auxiliary verb, subject, main verb. Here, once again, back to this type of question. Question words with the verb to be. Over here, she's using one of the typical questions. Have you got? It's present perfect, but it's a very typical question. Have you got any sisters or brothers? And finally, going back to where we started. Question word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb. Where do you live? Stuff like that. Now, what I quite liked over here was that Jana used a different modal verb here, a modal auxiliary verb, could. She's used it at the beginning, so the answer is still yes or no. Could you say something about your family? And yes, I could, is the answer. So as soon as you use an auxiliary verb at the beginning, the answer is always yes or no. Could you say something about your brother and sister? Could you say something about your family? Yes, I could. Do you have any girlfriends? Yes, I do. Have you got any sisters or brothers? Yes, I have. Do you like pets? Yes, I do. So that's one way. The other way is using the verb to be as the main verb, and the other one is using the verb do as the auxiliary verb, and it must always be supported by the main verb. See you next week.